One of my goals this new year is to eat more healthy, so I decided to make this delicious but healthy honey glazed salmon with a charred zucchini and corn salad. So I made this on my Char-Broil 3-burner gas griddle. Makes it super easy to cook all of this food at once. It's a great way to meal prep too. So season up your salmon, prep your vegetables, and then we're making our glaze here. Just combine all of the ingredients, mix it well, and then fire up your Char-Broil 3-burner gas griddle. So once that's all fired up and hot, we're adding our salmon here and then adding our corn and zucchini. Let that start to char. You can see as we flip the salmon, it does not stick to the griddle. It flips super easy. And then we're just going to brush on some of the glaze here and let that caramelize. Once that salmon is done, we can remove it and then season up our corn and zucchini salad. Let that continue to char, and then once that's done, remove it. Add our remaining ingredients into a bowl to add some great flavor. Mix everything in and enjoy.